This comes at a perfect time. It was sent for my review, and this is, as you can probably tell, a battery charger. But not just any battery charger, because yes, I do have DeWalt batteries, and we all have those lying around in the garage or in the shed for different kinds of tools. This one in particular is the 20 volt, but this thing right here is going to be able to charge, yes, my 20 volt, but also 12 volts. So I can actually do 12 to 20 volt and charge them independently. So they can be completely different as well, provided that they actually fit here. So make sure that your battery is able to fit. Look at this. You plug it in, and then as soon as it's plugged in, I'm going to make sure that I am indeed plugged in right here. There you go. You're going to see that little green light pop on as soon as it recognizes the battery. And if it's blinking, it's charging, and when it stops blinking, changes color, it will basically tell you that it's finished charging, and it will do that on all 4 slots. I think that's fantastic because, you know, right now all I have is a 1-slot battery charger, not enough. And even if you go to any type of place that sells those, you're gonna find probably the 2 slots. I've never seen a 4-slot battery charger like that. Love the fact that there's a handle. Yes, you need to obviously plug it into an outlet, as you can see right here. And the other cool thing is, like, let's say you don't want the handle and you want to make this completely kind of secure on a wall and have this on a wall. You can do that. There are 2 holes at the top here that go straight through, so 2 holes at the top. Or you can actually use the, that kind of like, if you have the proper hardware to actually like kind of hook it up to the wall, you can do that with that in the back as well. The hardware doesn't come with it, but of course any type of screws will work with this. But yeah, it definitely looks the part for my DeWalt batteries, but it really does the job, which I love.